Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fast video on YouTube. So first thing you do is go on YouTube, something. So then you click this and you go to create studio. Yeah, you go to create studio. So basically, like, if you want to do a video of you talking, you can do it on a live stream, but you can do it on a regular video. So if you want to do it on a video that, like, for example, that has, like, that a video that has no sound to it, and you're just, like, doing, like, this, like that. Or you can I don't care what you do. You can do speed on anything you want. So you want to press, you see this thing named edit, right? You press edit. And
you click any video.
Yeah, you can click any video like she said. Thumbnail. That could be the thumbnail. Okay. So to whatever that says.
Achievement.
Yeah, achievements, whatever. It can show the video. It shows the video right here. You can watch it, and it shows you your speed. Now, this is to go to slow motion. Now, this won't really work on your videos because you can't really go slow motion. So, you see, like, if I go speed and I go 1, guess what happens, look. See, that is what's gonna happen. But if I go 4 speed, look. I'm gonna do 2. So, I'm gonna go speed 4.
OMG.
Shush. No, I'm just gonna do speed 4. Should I do speed 4? Yeah, I'm gonna do speed 4, and then you can do fill. You can fill the light. It can be bright, dark, or bright. I'm gonna make mine bright, and you can contrast it. You can contrast it, which makes it lighter, and I'm gonna make my video lighter because I want to, and they're gonna be like, how do you do this? I'm showing you how to do it with this. Now, my color temperature. You don't want to go out with your color temperature, do you? So you can pick any color you want. You can pick blue, any color. But I'm picking this color because I kind of like blue. So you're going to save this video and you're going to have to, I'm changing the title because I didn't put that curve. But guys, this is how you do it. I'll be putting my friend's, YouTube's in the description. Kitty Plays MSP. I'll put the link, and then who else? Simply. I'm kind of friends with Simply. So Simply Simmers and Mythical Night. So I'm going to save my changes, and we're going to wait for this video to get light. Do what it's supposed to do. Now, that is all you have to do for today. That's all I'm going to do for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys!